Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you are preparing pretty well because we are now having our dates like 24th of May, that is Sunday. You are having your examination date out, right? So we need to be like so much strategic in this last 30 days because this 30 days or these 30 days will decide that whether you will qualify for the written or not. And you know that written examination is like a first step towards your goal. ठीक है? So in this video, I will provide you one full coverage video related to what should be your strategy now, how you can approach this examination provided the syllabus by ICMR. So what should be your strategy in last 30 days? What are the different pointers which you needs to keep in mind? So do check it out. And if you are a new subscriber, if you find the channel useful, do subscribe it. And also, before starting, I would like to say something that is very, very personal. So, do respect every educator and not just every educator. You have to respect each and every individual existing on this earth, right? So, it is like not so कि आप scientist बन जाओ and you are not at all a nice human being. First of all, we should be a nice human being and then we can be like doctor, engineer, scientist or whatever. So try to be like a human with have some etiquettes, a human with have some manners, a human who always respect the person standing next to him or her, right? So with this note, let's start because the countdown has begun because we are having our date and this time we are only having like approximately 30-35 days something. So what should be your strategy for ICMR scientists to be? So you must have like this feeling that I don't have any knowledge about the ICMR syllabus. I don't know how to solve the PYQs, from where to get it. I also have no idea about biostatistic, let's suppose. If you are weak in research methodology, so all these feelings are currently in your head right now. So what should we do now? How to be like this way? From this to this. So this needs strategy and I am going to provide that particular strategy. So you are having syllabus and in that particular syllabus there are so many units mentioned, and if you are aware of some of the units and if some of the units are like totally new for you, you need to work out on them first and then come to the unit which you are aware with, right? मतलब जो units, suppose you are having 5 units, ठीक है? 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you are aware with 3, 4, 5, and if you don't know much about 1 and 2, you need to work more, you need exercise in 1 and 2. So try to complete first and second unit first, because in the last you will not be able to get that much of time, your head will not process those new information. So from my side I will provide you tip. Try to complete those units you are not at all that much aware and that much uh, easy. So syllabus इनकम्प्लीट अगर है तो आपको सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करना है. इफ यू आर वीक इन एनी ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक यूनिट्स मेंशन बाय द लाइक सिलेबस, यू इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, सो जो भी यूनिट वीक है यू नीड टू मेक इट फर्स्ट. पीवाई की उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है. आई हैव वन वीडियो रिलेटेड टू पीवाई क्यूज ऑन माई चैनल. आई विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड वन वीडियो tomorrow, and I will also try to provide like collect PYQs from wherever I can get. And trust me, you are not alone. Your friend is also stuck like you, because this exam needs a proper dedication, a proper approach, and a guidance to like crack this examination. So reality check is you don't need to focus on 30 days is equals to full syllabus coverage. Not it, it should not be your goal. The goal should be like you have to do a smart revision. You have to do a lot of MCQs. You have to solve so many mock tests. So through that you can solve so many questions. Now here I can introduce my crash course, which is currently going on, right? It is for 1200, यानी 1199 का है ये. So it is for 15 days, but as per the requirement, as we are studying currently, we are already have 9 live classes are already done, but it is not that key it will be end up by 15, because as per the requirement, as per the demand of the students, I will increase like 2 to 3 days more, because this is the need of the hour, right? So we are moving at the pace of the students, whether they are grasping or not. It is not just ki maine strategy bana di, I will follow that particular thing. And in this crash course, you are getting 100 MCQs in the practice sheet, daily lecture notes, video recording, and everything. So if you are willing to join, you can join it. And I will tag the form link in the description. So it's up to you. If you are able to prepare by yourself, this then it is the best thing. You can do that, right? So 30 days should not be equal to full syllabus coverage. Instead, you need to be like very much smart that which topic is most important, from where the question will be asked, which book you have to refer, and how many more question you will solve. The more you will solve, the less will be your mistakes. It means more accuracy will be there. So what is the winning formula? What is the winning formula to make you like this? So revision, consistent revision. ठीक है, consistent revision is required. Previous year questions, if you get from anywhere, I have provided part 1 in my video only, at my channel only. I will provide the part 2 and part 3 as well. ठीक है. Mock test I will be providing. Yes, इसके साथ साथ आपको मिलेंगे 5 mock test and even more if you will you need. So 5 mock test will be there. सो मॉक टेस्ट आपको कहाँ से मिल जाएगा? ऑलरेडी मेरे चैनल पे एक पहला मॉक मैंने डाला है. आई विल प्रोवाइड सम मोर मॉक्स एज द एग्जाम विल कम नियर बाई. So this revision PYQ mocks is the winning formula for you. It will like decide that whether you will be selected or not for the written examination. Now, what should be your 30-day roadmap? I will not like extend this video unnecessarily. I will come to the point directly. So day 1 should be the revision part. Revision as well as grasping part. So grasping for which unit? The unit which is in which you are not comfortable, right? The unit which are very much difficult for you. You think that you cannot go through this unit because you find it tough. So you need to prepare those unit first, and in the 10 days revise the whole syllabus. Divide the days into unit wise. You can also do it like this way. First day I will revise research methodology along with biostatistic. ठीक है. Second day what you will do, I will revise bioethics, and also you will solve questions from above 2 units like this way. पहले concept revise करो, questions करो, या questions पहले करो then concept करो. This is the like most advantageous. Diagnostic kit कर लिया आज, ठीक है. Basic microbiology कर लिया आज. उसके बाद में apart from this we are having some more reproductive and child health care करना है आपको. Communicable versus non-communicable disease, which is one of the most vast unit of this whole syllabus. So these are the units which you have to cover. So in the first 10 days, prepare as per your own capacity that how much you can study in a single day. Like some of you can study 2 units at a time, some of you can study only 1 unit because you get confused in 2 units. So you can decide as per your own capacity. You know yourself better than anybody else, right? So decide accordingly. And in the next 10 days, what you have to practice, practice, practice. Only you have to solve 100 question, 200 question per day. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, कहीं स्टक हो रहे हो सो नोट्स देखना है एंड ट्राई टू मेक अ क्रिस्प नोट्स. जैसे ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का तरीका ये होता है, टेक A4 शीट्स विथ यू, and if you are dealing with the research methodology unit, start solving. First question, what is the logic behind it? Second question, what is the logic behind it? Third question. So if you are solving 100 question, you will have about 100 crisp points that will help you to solve another 100 question. I can bet this. If you are solving MCQ in this way, you will like conquer every examination. So if you are solving one question, it has 4 option, obviously multiple choice question. So why those 3 options are incorrect? So that also you need to mention it. in a short in a crisp form. ठीक है, इस तरह से अगर आप करोगे so you will be like solving so many different question from a single question, and this is the strategy of the winners. ठीक है, so try to solve this way. And what you have to do in day 21 to 30, so in day 21 to 30 you need to solve like different mock test papers so as to ensure that you are mimicking the environment which will be provided by the Delhi AIMS. Like directly you will be getting the main examination question paper, so before that you need to have some mock test, right? So as to make your mind like examination ready, make yourself examination ready to bring down your examination fear, and also you will evaluate yourself that where you are standing, right? How you have to approach the question, whether you are misreading the question, how you are managing your time to solve like 60 just sorry 100 question in 120 minutes, how you are going to do that, right? So this is the thing which you need to be done by you. So 30 days map अगर ये आप follow करते हो strictly, so you will be getting like so many good thing. So what should be your phase one? If I can divide the whole strategy in phase one and phase two, so phase one should be building your base. हर यूनिट जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन करे हैं, ये सारे रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी, बायोस्टैटिस्टिक, बायोएथिक्स, डायग्नोस्टिक, बेसिक माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, आरसीएच, कम्युनिकेबल, नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज, ये सारी चीज़ों को आपको क्या करना है, इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेना है। सबसे पहले तो वन गो में सब पढ़ लो जितने इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं। आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड एवरी पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एट माई चैनल फ्रीली, so I can vouch for that I have provided so many videos as well. Apart from the subscribed video, I have already more than 30 videos at my channel. And if you are like a good surfer, you can find out there are so many other videos as well that you can check out. I have biostatistic का basic biostatistic के 3-4 videos, right? सिर्फ 3-4 वीडियो theoretical part के हैं, MCQ के 2-3 है, freely available है, you don't have to pay a single penny for that. So if you are a good surfer, you can make the best use of the content which I already have at my channel, right? So build your base in the day 1 to 10, because this is very very important. If you concepts, if you're not having the basic knowledge of the information, you cannot handle the questions provided by the like ICMR or whatsoever AIMS Delhi, right? So subject you have to focus, I have mentioned biostatistic, epidemiology, bioethics, reproductive and child health care, basic microbiology and disease diagnostic kit. Like these are very very important. These are the prescribed syllabus by ICMR. See, basic microbiology is not prescribed, but I don't think that they will not ask question from this, because without this you will not be able to, I have missed this one, communicable and non-communicable diseases, right? This is also important. Now apart from this communicable non-communicable diseases, we are also having the basic microbiology in this. If you are able to understand the microbiology, then only you will be able to understand the communicable diseases, right? And the non-communicable disease like different. So अगर आपको अच्छे से समझना है डायग्नोस्टिक किट, डिजीज डायग्नोस्टिक किट के बारे में समझना है, तो you should know about the basic microbiology. So for that reason I have included this. And also in the basic microbiology we are having certain techniques which are responsible for the disease detection, so you should know about that also. Daily routine should be 6 to 7 hours of study if you are not doing anything, right? Currently if you are only preparing for some examination, so you need to dedicatedly provide 6 to 7 hours for this exam only. And if you are a working individual, 3 to 4 hours are enough if you are preparing efficiently. ठीक है, try to complete 2 subjects 2 units per day. ठीक है, 2 subject और 2 units per day, so as to complete it within time period, within stipulated time. 10 days में आपको पहला अपना बेस रेडी करना है, नेक्स्ट 10 days में आप MCQ करिए, उसके नेक्स्ट 10 days में आप मॉक टेस्ट दोगे. ट्राई टू सॉल्व minimum, I said minimum 100 multiple choice questions, so as to increase your accuracy, increase your precision. Pro tip is focus on PYQ based topics only. अगर आपको लगता है कि PYQs आपको मिल रहे हैं, then you should not just only, you need to focus on the PYQ topics like very very importantly, right? Practice like a topper. Phase 2 is, phase 1 में हमने concept build कर दिया. In the phase 2 we have to like practice like a topper, solve, practice, practice, बस यही करना है आपको, पूरे 10 दिन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं। क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके जो एक्यूरेसी आपको आएगी वो आपको थ्योरी पढ़ने से भी नहीं आएगी। what you have to do, solve conceptual questions, like जितने conceptual questions निकल सकते हैं आपके from where, from all units, try to do that। topic wise MCQ करोगे तो और ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा। वीक फोकस एरियाज, क्वेश्चंस वहां से सॉल्व कर, देखो कुछ चीज का अगर थ्योरी इज टफ, ट्राई टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दोज एरियाज, सो इट विल brush up all of your basic concept by solving different questions, right? So this is the strategy. If you are finding that any unit is difficult, try to solve questions from those areas। golden rule is your mistakes are your syllabus। ठीक है, ये इतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टिप है। द गोल्डन टिप इज, अगर कहीं पे आप गलती कर रहे हो, इट मीन्स वो एरिया या वो टॉपिक इज वीक फॉर योर सेल्फ। यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर इट। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन कॉन्स्टेंटली, अगर किसी एक टॉपिक के क्वेश्चंस गलत हो रहे हैं, आप आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, देन इट मीन्स यू नीड टू लाइक रिवाइज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक। तो मॉक दो। इसीलिए मैं हमेशा अपने चैनल पे भी मैं मोटिवेट कर रही हूँ, क्रैश कोर्स में भी बच्चों को मोटिवेट कर रही हूँ कि मॉक टेस्ट दो। मॉक टेस्ट देने से ही पता चलेगा कि कहाँ पे फंस रहे हो, कहाँ पे काम करने की जरूरत है, राइट? सो मॉक टेस्ट विल ब्रश अप एंड will actually evaluate your preparation levels, and also it will mimic the actual examination, that how it will look like, what you need to do in that particular thing. So for that, you try to attempt so many different questions through mock test also and through practice sheet also. So daily target should be 100 to 150 MCQ, and analyze your mistakes and start revising, and then again what you have to do, solve. So as I told, mock is equals to real examination. This will provide you, this will mimic that how you gonna solve, how you gonna use your 2 hours for like making yourself go through the first step. So यही मॉक टेस्ट डिसाइड करेगा कि आप कितना ज़्यादा आपका प्रिपरेशन लेवल है, एंड आप एक रेडीनेस आपके अंदर आएगा, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली एग्जामिनेशन में बैठने से पहले अच्छा है कि आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करके जाओ। स्ट्रैटेजी, मॉक टेस्ट ऑल्टरनेट डेज में देते जाओ। लाइक 10 डेज आपने बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग किया, 10 डेज आपने सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस किया, लास्ट 10 डेज में हर दिन मैं तो बोलूँगी कि मॉक करो। हर दिन पॉसिबल नहीं है तो ऑल्टरनेट डेज में मॉक प्रैक्टिस करो, एंड रिवाइज योर वीक एरियाज। ठीक है, रिवाइज योर वीक एरियाज। हर एग्जामिनेशन के बाद अगर आपका कोई वीक एरिया बच जाता है तो उसे आपको करने की ज़रूरत होती है, ना कि उसे छोड़ देने की। फाइनल सीक्रेट इज, एक्यूरेसी इज मोर देन अटेम्प्ट। 10 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, सिर्फ 8 का ही पता है कि ये एकदम 100% श्योर है, डोंट अटेम्प्ट द अदर 2 क्वेश्चंस, राइट? अटेम्प्ट 8, 8 ही अटेम्प्ट करो, 2 को छोड़ दो, तो एक्यूरेसी तो रहेगी, 8 तो सही होगा, 8 नंबर तो मिलेंगे। बायोस्टैटिस्टिक में जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, हाइपोथेटिकल टेस्टिंग से ये क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, ठीक है? सेंसिटिविटी, स्पेसिफिसिटी जो हमारे डिजीज डायग्नोस्टिक में भी है, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई हैव आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा एंड द डिस्क्रिप्टिव स्टैटिस्टिक्स से कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल, पी वैल्यू। अपार्ट दिस पी वैल्यू आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड दिस पार्ट। सो कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल के क्वेश्चन आप बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। पी वैल्यू, टाइप 1 and 2 एरर, ठीक है? उसके बाद रिस्क क्या है, रेशियो क्या है, ये सारी चीजें। एपिडेमियोलॉजी में कोहोर्ट वर्सेस केस कंट्रोल वर्सेस रिलेटिव रिस्क, जो मैंने एक मेजर्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन पढ़ाया था, मेजर्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन, वो आपको करना है। मेजर्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन में मैंने एक टेबल दिया था, उस टेबल को पूरा रट लो। व्हाट इज बायस, व्हाट इज कंफाउंडिंग? कंफाउंडिंग इज दी third extraneous variable that distorts the relationship between the first and the second, like जो independent dependent variable के बीच के relationship को distort करता है, यानी अपना खुद का एक input डालता है लेकिन hidden रहता है, जल्दी पता नहीं चलता है, that is confounding। what is biasness, how you can remove it from your study, all these things are important। reproductive and child health care, ये हमने पढ़ा था, कल ही जस्ट पढ़ा है। immunization, national schemes slash योजनाज स्लैश, इसके अलावा क्या चीज़ हमने पढ़ा था, प्रोग्राम्स, ये सारी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके अलावा लैब टेक्निक्स में यू शुड नो अबाउट पीसीआर एंड इट्स वेरिएंट्स, ये तो पढ़ना ही है। आई विल स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग पीसीआर वेरिएंट्स एट माय चैनल, यू कैन एक्सेस दैट। एलाइजा, ब्लॉटिंग, ठीक है, नदर्न ब्लॉट, सदर्न ब्लॉट, वेस्टर्न ब्लॉट, ये सारी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है। बिग मिस्टेक है, लास्ट में न्यू बुक्स मत रेफर करो। मैंने आपको बता दिया है, एक पार्कर की बुक है, एक अनंत नारायण की बुक है, ठीक है, अनंत नारायण है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड इट इन माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप। अनंत नारायण के अलावा टॉपिक वाइज भी आप बुक्स को रेफर कर सकते हैं जो ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स आप पढ़ते हो। कोठारी इज फॉर research methodology. Khan and Khanam is for biostatistic. Also, we are having some different books and different guidelines book by ICMR. ठीक है, ICMR के जितने यूनिट्स के बुक हैं, जो जो recommended हैं syllabus के लिए, I have already shared it with you, so you can check out those because those are the most authentic books which you can refer. So last 5 days plan should be only revision, PYQ कर रहे हो तो PYQ plus MCQs and sleep well and nothing to do apart from this. So you need 30 focused days. ठीक है, मोटिवेशन ये है कि 30 focused days चाहिए and then you will be like good to go. डेली एमसीक्यू स्ट्रैटेजी जो bio.com में आ रहा है उसको फॉलो करना ही है। जितने क्वेश्चंस मैं अपने चैनल पर डाल सकती हूँ, लाइक इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, सो do understand the efforts of each and every educator, so do respect that and do watch it out to make the best use of the content provided by any of the channel. So you can subscribe for notes, MCQ, strategy, and for much more. So thank you so much for watching and keep studying. You can do that.